Hi and welcome back to my channel. I received my test results on Monday morning and yeah, it is negative and I'm not really happy, but it was kind of expected because my health was getting back to normal and my body was responding to me. So it was kind of confirmed that I would obviously get negative, and today's Wednesday and I'm really doing well. As of now, I don't have any symptoms, not even like mild cold, cough. There's a little weakness, but I think with proper diet and with proper fluids, I think that will go to very soon. But as of now, things are pretty well, and even I'm stepping out of my room and I'm doing all the household work. I'm still wearing a mask, when I step out of the room. I'm not really going outside, but I think I can go, to get groceries or stuff like that. But for now, things are really great. Things are really better. I think I can give some tips for someone who's like in home quarantine through my personal experience. For the last almost 20 days, I obviously cannot comment on medicines because it is always better to consult a doctor before you take any medicines. But coming to diet, I would suggest or I would recommend someone who's in home quarantine to take at least 4 meals a day, including snacks. I don't know about people who have fever and who cannot taste or smell food. I don't know their condition, but for me, because there was no fever and I could taste and smell food, I used to eat a lot. I increased the quantity of the food that I used to eat every single day. So that helped me a lot, and I used to eat almost 4 times a day, including snacks. And I used to drink close to 4 liters of warm water or hot water. And along with that, I used to also take fluids such as fruits and turmeric water and stuff like that. That has helped me as well. And I used to take the steam 3 times a day in the initial days, probably the first 1 week or almost 10 days. For the first 10 days, my nose was a little blocked throughout the first 10 days, and there was a little pain in the throat as well, but that subsided as I warm water and took steam 3 times a day. And gradually I reduced all of this. Like now I'm drinking normal regular water. Not even warm. I'm drinking normal water. Other than that, rest and sleep are very important. Though I could work, I actually chose not to work. I actually chose not to do anything. I only kind of lie down all day, probably most of the time during the day, and I used to sleep for almost 8 to 9 hours. I think so. Yeah, but that worked as well for me. It really helped me to keep up my energy and to actually I could fight the virus. I tested positive on 22nd of April, and the first 2 days were normal. I did not even feel anything like, in the sense, no symptoms. But the actual symptoms started from the third or fourth day. Pain in the throat and the weakness started after, fifth or sixth day. And it kind of gradually increased after that for almost 5-6 days. You can definitely work, but it's always better to choose to take a rest rather than doing some other things that are not necessary. You can do basic stuff like cleaning your room because you can't keep your room messed up. You can also practice some breathing exercises after you wake up. That is going to help you a lot. It has helped me because I used to practice something like pranayama every morning. That is something I used to practice for the last 3-4 months, so I kind of got used to it. Also, make sure you change your brush and your tongue cleaner once you are recovered. I think this is pretty much one can do at home. It's not difficult, but it's not easy either. But it is still possible to recover from COVID in just almost 15 to 20 days. All one needs is proper rest, proper sleep, proper diet, and medicines. You have to take medicines on time. Along with that, you can try some natural things if you know how to. I think all these things brought together can help you recover very soon from COVID in less than 20 days, and it is very possible. Also, it is always good to stop watching the news, at least during the quarantine, because once you turn on the news, it's all about deaths, it's all about no oxygen, it's all about no ventilators and no beds and stuff. So I chose not to watch news for a longer time, probably 10-15 minutes a day. I almost quit watching news right now. It's very peaceful actually. So you can do that as well, because that kind of keeps you in a state of constant anxiety and helplessness, so that you can focus more on how to recover, and you can take them all the measures to recover soon. I think that's more than enough for one to do during quarantine. If this video has helped you in any way, do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Also, see you in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye, take care.